Here I've got PHILIPS X818, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then click on the More icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner. Select History, and then click on Clear Browsing Data here. And as you can see here, you can select the particular options, so you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and also autofill from data. You can unclick something if you want to leave it, but I would like to delete all of it. And finally, select the time range, so you can delete history from past hour, past day, past week, last 4 weeks, or beginning of time. And the last option is what I will choose. And finally, click on Clear Data. And click on OK, I got it. And that's it. As you can see, there is no history here, and now you can create it from the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browsing data in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.